And we're watching the storms, tracking when storm watch off are 3 for most of the night. So we're just switching it around a little bit here. And so down towards Norman, heavy downpours, Dibble, Lindsay. Storms are tracking.
Oh, sorry.
I've seen it in sound.
Wait. Straight over.
Yeah, heavy rain too here in Norman. It just lit up, but across I-35 traffic has been pretty slow. We're just going about 40 right now, but it's all the lightning that's really slowing folks down. It's blinding when it mixes in with the rain. So again, if you don't have to travel tonight, especially in this, you can see how it lights up. Please don't. But we'll stay out here. We'll keep some eyes on it for you. Just a lot of rain and a lot of lightning right now.
Thank you, Meredith. And again, great tips. Wherever you are right now in the Norman area or central and eastern parts of Oklahoma City, just stay where you are. If you live really anywhere in the state, along the along the I-35 corridor and to the east, stay where you are, stay put, because threatening storms, damaging storms with wind, hail, possible tornadoes are coming on through. It's going to take about another hour or two, hour and a half, let's say, to get the storms through Oklahoma City. But then eastern parts of Oklahoma City, heading towards the eastern sections of Oklahoma, storms are moving right in your direction. North central Oklahoma, they're crossing I-35 right now, and southwest down towards Stevens County. So if you want to, Kyle, we can work our way down the line. And let's go ahead and start north central. And
Is this just intersect with the...
Not so much Stillwater,
Yeah.
but north of that, Red Rock and Perry. And
Paul's
this is
Valley.
your line of severe weather coming right to Stillwater. And over here, the storms are moving towards the Kearney area as well. And they're right up and down I-35, right into Oklahoma City, Mulhall, and Guthrie, getting those moderate to heavy showers right now. And that wind and tornado threat, immediate wind and tornado threat. And we're putting a track on that. The storms are going to be in Langston and Coyle and Morrison and Stillwater and Glencoe. And let's jump off that line right now, Kyle, and go ahead and check out the tornado warnings that we have still in Seminole County. And trying to move out of Pottawatomie County. I'm thinking that they're out of Pot County right now. And yeah, the circulation right now, leaving Pottawatomie County, heading towards Prague. So here's Prague right here. This is southeast Lincoln County. And there's Sparks and there's Meeker. So your tornado threat right now just to your east, right on top of Prague. So Prague, this storm has had a history of producing a tornado. This is your spin. You're seeing the reds and greens right next to each other. So Prague, you still have a strong circulation right on top of you. You should be in your safe spot right now in Prague. Lowest level of your home, underground if possible, safe room if you can. If not, lowest level, get in, get down, and cover yourself up. Interior bathroom or closet or hallway. Please do that. So Prague, again, the circulation, we just had a new radar scan. So the circulation right now is right around and just north of Prague, and it's heading up Highway 377. It's moving almost due north. So you got the intersection or right around or just north of the intersection of...
Tell you what, that's one of the best days ever on the